Hey everybody, welcome to Colton RV and Marine. I'm Jim, and what we wanted to do today was show you our newest partner, which is Sylvan Pontoons. What you have here in front of us is a 20-footer. It is part of their A series. You can tell it is onyx black with a white accent, and then you can notice to spruce up the boat a little bit, we added the blackout package, which all our customers like. The 20-footer is a great size to get up and down the canal. This particular one is paired with a Yamaha 4-stroke, 90 horsepower. So that's gonna still be able to give you guys all your water sports needs. And then if you guys wanna take a boat ride in the evening or a family boat ride in the afternoons on a weekend, this will be a great boat to do it with. But hop in with us and we'll show you the interior and all the space and all the goodies you get with this boat. All right guys, now that we're the interior of this A20, we wanted to show you a little bit of the necessities and the functionalities of the boat. But come back here really quick. Before we move to the interior, we wanted to show you guys the back swim deck. A lot of 20-footers do not have swim decks, and for Sylvan to incorporate this into a 20-footer is great. You have your ski tow bar here that enables you to tube, water ski, wakeboard, the whole works. And you have a nice deep ladder that helps you in and out. Now moving into the boat, you have a lot of wide seating for everybody to sit into. So you can kind of see how I plop down. You have a lot of seating here with the ability to store a lot of your goodies too. Now looking at this seat base, you have deep storage here with an irrigation system that tracks all the water and dispenses it under the deck during a rainstorm. Moving through the boat though, probably the most popular layout for pontoons is your dual captain seats. Helps with, you know, when a lot of times you guys aren't riding with a lot of people, it's just a couple, you have your two individual seats. Then when you do have a lot of people in this model, a lot of people don't understand that the captain seats do swivel. So you can make one of those boats help you while you're obviously riding and tracking some of your riders on the tube. Moving to the helm though, it is paired fully with a wet sound stereo, a depth gauge, and a trim gauge. And then if you look at the space there, it gives you a lot of space to customize whether you want a Garmin or a Lowrance, whatever your personal favorites are, in the fish finder space. And then moving forward, you get a mirror look from the back to the front, but the front is going to give you these nice chase lounges for your other riders to lounge out with a backrest. In addition to these, Sylvan does these nice portable cup holders. So you can place these in the front, or you can bring these all the way to the back. There is a Velcro strip under there. We won't show you that right now. And you can obviously break a seat up. So this is all new for us, our new partners here with Sylvan and Colton teaming up together. We think it's gonna be a great boat line for Western New York. So if you would like to stop in and check this particular boat out or any of the other ones in our showroom for the winter, feel free to give us a call. My number is 716-694-0188. Thanks.